Hey guys, this is Mike with KickFinds956 and vidIQ Reviews here, and today we are going to take a look at the Jordan 1 High Flight Club. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I did want to get a video today, being that it is my birthday, right? So if you guys are watching this video, I'm probably going to be uploading it after the fact, but today is April the 11th, which is my birthday, and I went to the mall today and I was looking around for stuff, but you guys know I'm a shoe head, right? And there was a drop today on Sneakers app. Unfortunately, the drop ended up selling out, but I did luckily I was able to find this shoe at my local mall, at my local Foot Locker. They also had it at AD Sports, but if you're not familiar with it, it is going to be this shoe really quick. It is going to be the Jordan 1 Retro High, but again, this is going to be a Flight Club Jordan 1. And apologies, I ended up fixing the lighting there, but anyways guys, so yeah, Jordan 1 Retro High Flight Club. So again, this is the second pair this year they released from the Flight Club. I believe earlier this year they released a Jordan 4 Flight Club, which I'm a big fan of also, but at the same time I didn't cop that shoe just because of the retail price is a little too expensive for my blood, but this one was under $200 and I had a $10 off coupon at Foot Locker, so I decided, hey, let's do it. I like the colorway and I wanted to show you guys here today. So here we go. I already kind of tried these on at the store, so the wrapping on this is going to be already open, obviously, so you're gonna see it here first first shoe. Here we go. Let me take this out, but I do like the hold on, let me take the other portion out on the inside also. And of course you can see here that it's already coming with extra laces. So yeah, we're gonna put the wrap, we're gonna take the wrap out. And again, you guys can see the shoe to your left, so you guys already know. If you know the shoes, if you're a shoe head, you already know. Check out the cool wrapping that this shoe comes with. Now, unfortunately, that's all it comes with, just the cool wrapping. And it comes with a cool box also. Like, I'm not one for boxes, but I do like the design on this box. And again, I'm not really a Jordan 1 fan, but I did like the colorway on this shoe. So again, let me get this shoe more in the shot for you guys so we can kind of show you. But yeah guys, let me see if I can focus. I might have to change the brightness on this because I don't think the light is doing this justice. Here we go, hold on. We might have to change. There we go. I was like, the lighting looks horrible, but it's a very dark colored shoe, guys. But this is how do you say, like it's a collab with Flight Club, so it's not your typical Jordan 1 High. As you can see here, it does have like red how do you say, the red Air Jordan Flight logo there. So you see white stitching all the way around. I'm trying to see if there's like anything that says Flight Club on it. Probably doesn't, but this is still a cool shoe, guys. Like, if you're a shoe head, you'll know the shoe. And like I said, the cool part is it does come with a pink pair of laces. I don't think I'm gonna rock the pink pair of laces, but I do think it looks cool. But again, if you're a shoe head, you know, guys. If you know, you know. The Flight Club stuff is gonna be on the inside of the shoe. Unfortunately, but I think it's just a very nice solid colorway. I mean, if you look at the shoe, I mean for context, right, it does come with the white laces. It's not the material, it's not like a leather material. I don't know how to explain it, but this does feel like a sway material on the side. Up here also, it's not a leather material, it's more of like a sway, or like it is leather upper, but it's got like it feels like more of a suede. Same thing all the way around here. You do feel like it's not a leather material. This is more of like I don't know how to explain it, like a more of a cotton material, or like a material that's not used. How do I explain it? Like a non-leather material. It feels more like a material for clothing, basically. So this like little part for your toe box and everything like that, and the area that goes around it, like where I'm placing my fingers, all of this is not leather. This is like a different material. But again, all the way around, pretty cool, guys. What do you guys think? Are you guys into Jordan 1s? I feel like Jordan 1s are not very popular anymore when it comes to, you know, drops and everything like that. But again, the shoe did sell out, and again, it is a collab with Flight Club, and I just had to get it. Like, I was like, oh man, this is like a solid shoe. Like, I cannot complain. Like, I mean, I think Jordan 1s are pretty comfortable also. I only have a few pairs left. I did like donate a few pairs recently. but I have more like mids and lows than anything. This is actually going to be my first Jordan 1 high, so I'm gonna get this laced up, guys, and we're gonna try it on for you. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, guys. Again, not my typical video for my vidIQ channel, but I'm gonna post this up on my vidIQ channel and my KickFinds 956 channel. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Anyone that is watching, if you're a shoe head, please subscribe, smash the like button. Let me know what your favorite Jordan shoe is, or just shoe in general, right? If you guys like shoes, let me know what you like rocking, you know, on your casual days, or if you guys just like rocking it because of the cool fits, etc., like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and post it up. I'm gonna put the shoes on and we'll check it out, guys. Okay, guys, let me step back for you guys so you guys can see the shoes here. But I'm a 10.5, and this is pretty much the size that fits me, so I'm kind of happy with the shoes. Honestly, they're actually pretty comfortable. Honestly, like Jordan 1s are very good casual shoes, in my opinion. I hope I didn't botch the lacing, guys. I think the lacing probably doesn't look too bad. I'm wearing kind of baggy pants with these, so it does cover up the actual like ankle portion. So they're very good casual shoes. I would probably wear these a lot with just wearing like shorts, you know what I mean, or like low cut shorts, or like lower shorts is what I mean. But for the most part, guys, these shoes are very nice and cozy. I can't complain too much when it comes to Jordan 1s. Now Jordan 1s are not my go-to. My go-tos are Jordan 3s. Those are probably the most comfortable Jordan retros for me. But you know, I'm kind of trying to differentiate myself a little bit with some of the shoes here. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the new Jordan 1 high that came out, the Flight Club? Let me know, guys. And comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Smash the like button. And again, guys, we'll go ahead and close out the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time, okay?